Let us solve for x given 9 raised to power x divided by 81 is equal to 72. The given equation is 9 raised to power x divided by 81 is equal to 72. Let us cross multiply. 9 raised to power x multiplied by 1, because this is over 1, is equal to 81 multiplied by 72. 81 is equal to 9 square. 72 is equal to 9 multiplied by 8. Nine raised to power s is equal to 9 square multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8. This is over 1. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. 9 raised to power s is equal to, this can be written as 9 raised to power 2 plus 1 multiplied by 8. 9 raised to power s is equal to 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by 8. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 9 raised to power 3. So we have 9 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power 3 is equal to 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by 8 divided by 9 raised to power 3. This 9 raised to power 3 cancel this 9 raised to power 3. This is 9 raised to power s divided by 9 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. Now, if you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m minus n. The whole of this is the same thing as 9 raised to power s minus 3 is equal to 8. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 9 raised to power s minus 3 is equal to log 8. If you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. Then this can be written as s minus 3 log 9 is equal to log 8. Let us divide both sides of this equation by log 9. This divided by log 9 and this divided by log 9. Log 9 cancel log 9 here. S minus 3 is equal to log 8 divided by log 9. 8 is equal to 2 raised to power 3. 9 is equal to 3 square. S minus 3 is equal to log 8 now is 2 raised to power 3 divided by log 9 is 3 square. S minus 3 is equal to 3 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. Now if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then S minus 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2 log 2 base 3. But we are looking for the value of S. Let us add 3 to both sides of this equation. S minus 3 plus 3, this is equal to 3 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 3. This 3 takes care of this 3. S is equal to 3 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 3. Then this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 raised to power s over 81 is equal to 72. So this is 9 raised to power 3 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. Then this is the same thing as 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by 9 raised to power 3 over 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by, this is 3 square to the power of 3 over 2 log 2 base 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. This cancel this. 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 log 2 base 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by this can be written as 3 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3 base 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. 9 raised to power 3 multiplied by the whole of this is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So it's 2 raised to power 3 divided by 81 must be equal to 72. Now this is 9 raised to power 3 is 9 times 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 8 divided by 81 is 9 multiplied by 9 must be equal to 72. This cancel this and this cancel this. We have 9 multiplied by 8 must be equal to 72, and of course 9 multiplied by 8, this is 72, is equal to 72, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.